Grandma! This is I Am Cat. And Grandma is gonna have some fun with the new updates. Grandma! I'm gonna shave your head and tase you and feed you burnt poop. It's gonna be a good day. First... Wait, I wasn't trying to be... I was just... Okay. First, I'm gonna shave your head. No. First, I'm gonna tase you. Shave your head while you're on the ground. Yeah, you can pick me up, I'll tell you. I'm gonna shave your head while you're on the ground. You're not gonna have a bun anymore. It's gonna be gone. Then, if you sit down and watch dog shows, I'm gonna feed you my poop after I cook it on the stove. Aww, yeah. It's gonna go right in your mouth. Okay. I didn't do that to you, Grandma. You knocked your own self out. Let me go get my stuff. Okay, up here. Well, got my taser. Tasey. Go. Oh, you gotta clean up? Hey, pick me up. Pick me up. Please. I want to put the taser in your mouth. Oh boy. Please don't knock me out. Stay down. You need a new haircut. There's your bun. I told you would not have a bun anymore. Can I move your dumb head? Ooh, Grandma. Okay. There we go, Grandma. You didn't need all that head of hair. It didn't do anything for you. You're gonna look much prettier like this. This is more your style. Okay. Now why don't you go sit on the couch? I'm gonna go cook my poop. Grandma. Grandma, can you stop? Can you stop, Grandma? Grandma. I'm faster than you, Grandma. Give it up.
Monsieur.
Don't you swing it.
Okay, far for me.
Yeah. I hate your voice. Okay, I'm gonna go cook my poop. You sit down and relax. You're a little cranky. Okay. Which one's on? Okay, Grandma's sitting down, relaxing. Keep that up. Yep. That's not good yet. We want to burn it. Tastes better burnt. Yeah. Okay, Grandma. Burnt poop. You got your burnt poop? You sitting down? Yeah, you watch your cat shows. You watch your cat shows. Hey. Hey. I got something for you. Hey. Here you go. Yum yum. What's wrong? It's cat poop. Oh!